Ready to make sushi, Ryu?
Yes, chef.
Ready to make sushi, Ryu?
Yes, chef.
Check your rice. Not too hot.
Like this?
Check your rice. Not too hot.
Like this?
Too sticky. Add vinegar.
Done.
Too sticky. Add vinegar.
Done.
Good. Seaweed on mat, rough side up.
Got it. Rice now?
Good. Seaweed on mat, rough side up.
Got it. Rice now?
Yes. Spread gently.
Okay. Leave edge?
Yes. Spread gently.
Okay. Leave edge?
Right. Full sealing.
Fillings next.
Right. Full sealing.
Fillings next.
Yes. One line in center.
Tuna and cucumber?
Yes. One line in center.
Tuna and cucumber?
Perfect. Not too much.
Fixed.
Perfect. Not too much.
Fixed.
Roll now. Lift edge slowly.
Like this?
Roll now. Lift edge slowly.
Like this?
Tighten more.
Done.
Tighten more.
Done.
Nice roll.
Cut it now?
Nice roll.
Cut it now?
Wet knife first.
So it won't stick.
Wet knife first.
So it won't stick.
Correct. Slice clean.
Looks neat.
Correct. Slice clean.
Looks neat.
Good job, Ryu.
Yours looks perfect.
Good job, Ryu.
Yours looks perfect.
Years of work.
I'll keep trying.
Years of work.
I'll keep trying.
That's the way.
One more roll.
That's the way.
One more roll.
Sure. Add avocado this time.
Okay, chef.
Sure. Add avocado this time.
Okay, chef.
You'll be great soon. You'll be great soon.